everybody, it's your boy Randall D, TechGeek ROD, back again with another video. Today we're going to take a look at the car LED hood light strips. Maybe we should go like that, and maybe we should go that way. I mean, it's backwards to me on camera, but anyways. So I'm gonna put these on the car, but let's take a look at what's in the box. A little of this, a little of that, you know. So let's see what we got here. Let's see. So we got the box on the table here. You know, gotta do the typical slam. There we go. All right, so let's see what we got. Is there some tape right here? No, so I'm trying to do this with one hand. Okay, there we go. Okay, a little of this, a little of that. So you got the little strip itself over there, and you got the power and ground cable. Okay, what's this right here? Why is it in Chinese? Clean the surface, ensure to clean and tidy, tear packaging bag, blah blah. So okay, we'll do that later. Right here, this is the actual strip itself. Look at that, you guys, look at that. Okay, and of course I gotta run those the ground and power cable to the battery. And on the bottom we got some adhesive right here so it can stick to the surface of the car. And then on the opposite side it's the actual lights. So let's put that to the side. What else is in the box? We got some 3M clips, you know, to hide the cables and things of that nature. So we'll put that over here. And there's the keys right there. What is this? Another booklet that's in Chinese. But this is an example of how it will look. But we'll figure that out as we go. Oh, here's the English side. Points for attention, blah blah blah. So we'll figure that out, you know, along the way. That's all that's in the box. This is the car LED hood lights, you guys. This is, yeah, made in China. The ones we go to war with. But anyways, made in China. This is it. So let's go outside. Let's take a look at the car and see what it's going to be applied to. So talk amongst yourselves. All right, so looking at how I got the strip applied, it's temporary applied. I didn't apply it all the way, but I applied it right there. And I'm trying to make it even. I'm trying to make it even with the vehicle. As you can see, I got the other end right here. And of course, the ground and power wire, I need to run that to the battery or run it to a fuse so that it don't stay on with the when the car powers off. But let me step back some. Let me step back without falling. That looks about even for the most part. What y'all think? I think that looks even. You know, I'm trying to make it centered, trying to make it look even and perfect, you know. So I got it right there. And it's running all the way to over here. And you can see it cuts off right there, right at the headlight, right there. And then it goes over here. So I think that looks even for the most part, but yeah, I think I'm gonna leave it right there. And I'm hoping when I close the hood, the brightness will shine through it. If it doesn't, then I'll have to readjust and maybe put it on this plastic bumper right here, this plastic bumper. I may have to put it on this, but right now it's on this area here, which is going from there. And let's go over here. It's going from there. But when the hood closes, you know what? As a matter of fact, no. I was gonna close the hood, but we'll have to wait and see how that looks at nighttime when the light is showing and things of that nature. I'm hoping that the hood doesn't cover up the light strip. If it does, then yes, I'll have to readjust and lower the night the light strip from there and lower it to like right there, but we'll see how it turns out. So let me do the wiring next, and we'll go from there. So stay tuned, talk amongst yourselves. All right, so look at the manual here. Let's see, let's put it on that 15 amp fuse right there. 15, and it looks like it's 1 2 3 4 5. It's going to be according to the manual, it said rear windshield wiper. So let's put it on that. We're gonna put it on that. We're gonna just keep it pushing, and if something happens down the line, if the police pull us over, yeah, there's hella police out here in Lebanon. I'm not trying to live here no more. But anyway, I'm not buying a house out here. But anyways, if the police pull us over, we're gonna put it on this 15 right here. That's for the rear windshield wiper in the back of the car, and it's just to give it the power. We just need to give power to these strips so they can light up when the car starts up. So we'll see what happens. Stay tuned. All right, you guys. So it's nighttime. We finna see what the car looks. See how these lights look at night, and you can see the strip right there. It's showing under the hood a little bit. I could have placed it on the opposite side. I could have placed it on here, on the bottom, but I did place it along this right here. But, same thing, it gets the job done. So I got my stepdaughter with me. She's going to go in the car. She's going to start it up, and go ahead, Zariah. There you go. There we go. There we go. On video. Okay, yeah, go ahead, start the car. Start the car. Yeah, turn the car all the way on. Yeah, so she got to open the door. Oh my gosh. Okay, there we go. All right, let's see what these lights look like. Let me go to the front right here. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh my God. Woo! Look at that. Look at that. Let me go to this side. Look at that. How the light measures up with the headlight. And the headlight's not even on. And it's still bright. Like, those headlights alone are lighting up the home right there. Wow. Look at that. Okay, let me tell her to turn it off real quick. Turn the car off. Turn the car off. Yes, now it's off. Turn on. Turn on. One more time. One more time. One more time. Ooh. Oh, they're gonna put some respect in my name. Look at that. Yes, I like it. I like it. I like it. All right, you guys. It's your boy TechGeek RLD. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and you know my slogan, they gonna learn today. All right, y'all.